My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz V-Class. This is a long wheelbase vehicle. It has done just under 49,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the V-Class comes with 8 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. We also have our 2 sunroofs. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, automatic headlights, as well as electric and heated seats on either side. Using the buttons just below, we can get quick access to navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put it into reverse, we can see that we have a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.